everyone. Today I want to teach you guys very important recipe. So how to make garam masala powder. So homemade garam masala powder is very easy. And so start, and we need 1 cup coriander seed. So it's 1 cup coriander seed, and then half a cup cumin seed. So half a cup cumin seed, and 1/3 cup fennel seed. And then teaspoon mustard seed, and then so little bit carbonate, like maybe 15 pieces carbonate, and then like 15 pieces cardamom. Please don't make mistake. There's carbonate and cardamom. And then press curry leaves. So can take some. And then just 2-3 pieces cinnamon stick, and that's it. So I add also turmeric stick, but I didn't do that here because I don't want to break my blender. Okay, and then I add black pepper, just teaspoon black pepper. Okay, that's all. So I want to now fry like 5 minutes in the heat. So and teaspoon black pepper. Okay, it's almost done. I just fry little bit, like 5 minutes maximum, and then you see it's like color change to like a brown color. So, and then you can to keep cool, and after blenders, now is all house have a smell as awesome, like spicy, and all the seeds and fresh curry leaves, and it's very tasty. You can add all the curries, like vegetable curries, fish curry, chicken curry, beef curry, and butter chicken, and for anything, all the curries is very tasty. I know A lot of people is buy supermarket, but I always like to home make it because it's awesome taste and smell and healthy, and yeah, pretty awesome. So now I want to blend it. I want to become cold a little bit, but it's okay right now. I want to show you guys how to the after makeup powder is so, it's even now I'm outside my building, it's the smell is coming out. It's this is the powder. So I always like it, this powder little bit yellow color. So I'm what to do, and I add a little bit turmeric powder. So, and then just a little bit. That's it. That's awesome. All smell is around house. Spices.